Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, since the rejection of 75.70 for the Australian dollar, the market is attempting to try and recover. However, from the assessment I view from the MACD and also the RSI, does expect to see another down test. Now, looking at the base, that is, we can see that we've got a 60-day moving average around 75.50 and also a support that was challenged 2 days ago at 75.70. If we can break these two levels, then we could see further scope towards 74 cents. Now, tomorrow we got a handful of data coming out, and that would be the retail sales, and also we do have Governor Lowry speaking. Along with that, we have the non-farm payrolls numbers. So we've got a handful of events that could at least give a bit more volatility in the market. I'm still preferring the downside at this stage. As the US dollar strengthens, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, and the euro, which is weighted at 57.6, could see further risk. Now, we are challenging the downside level of 120. Now, a break underneath 120 or 119.90 to be exact could see further risk down towards the low 119s. Do keep an eye on the RSI because it is a little bit oversold, but the trend is strengthening. I feel that the US dollar, as it increases due to the fact that it did break an inverse head and shoulders at 90.80 and posted a fresh 11-month to near a year high around 91.20-ish, that we could see eventually the measure move up towards 92. This would actually see the bottom side around 119. Keep an eye, as I said, on the RSI is a little bit oversold. Looking at the dollar-yen case, the market is still relatively firm, even though we are extremely overbought. However, the trend is very strong. And as you can see, last back here, when the trend was bearish, it did reach its objective near enough. That is that we should look towards 105.20, which is now being challenged now, and it could actually see a stretch towards 106 before rejection. We can see the sterling, since the rejection after many attempts at 137.45.65, is now focusing on 136. I believe that we've got the view in place with the RSI and the MACD married and declining, that we could see them down towards 135. Now, we do have Super Thursday, which could see the Bank of England interest rates mainly keeping on hold, but it's about the statement, and if the statement is a little bit more to the negative interest rates, then we could see the pound slip further. But overall, 135 the objective for now. This would also confirm the shooting star for sterling yen, as it now challenges the 143 level. Now, a close under 142.95 would give further scope down towards 141, with the technicals breaking down. It does look very convincing. Still concerning about the fact that gold hasn't been able to rebound, and now challenging the level of 1,820. A break and a close under there for New York tomorrow morning, with a trend picking up on the ADX, could see a further slide towards 1,765 and reassess. As you can see, oil was pushed up higher and still has potential now to get towards the region if we head towards the level around 55 and 3/4 is where we are now, but possibly moving up towards the region of somewhere around $59 a barrel. We are overbought though, but nevertheless, demand is pushing up this market, and with the trend indicating to a slightly positive bias, could see that target reached around 57 to 59. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the